Python. No wonder it's a popular language. I'm sure you must have heard about it quite a number of times. Features is what makes a programming language powerful and user friendly, and Python is full of them. Some of the key features that make Python stand out from other programming languages are: number one, its simplicity. Python is simple, clean, and easy to understand. Now, just like a regular language, like English, has a set of rules called grammar used to form sentences, programming languages too have certain rules called a syntax used to form statements. And that syntax for Python is very simple and easy to remember. For example, if you wanted to display a name on your screen using program, to do that, a code in C language would look something like this. Similarly, a code in Java would look something like this. But if you want to do the same thing with Python, the code would look something like this. Number 2. Interpreted. Like I said in the previous video, Python is one of the languages that uses an interpreter instead of a compiler, which makes Python easy to track the program control flow, easy to correct errors, and overall makes coding hassle-free. Number 3. Vast libraries. Libraries are a collection of related classes, methods, and modules. You'll learn about them in detail later in this course, but for now, remember them as related tools that get the job done. For example, a mechanic's toolkit is the library for a mechanic. Just like libraries in Python, it also has related tools that get the job done for the mechanic, like a hammer, nail puller, wrenches, ratchets, screwdrivers, etc. In the same way, an electrician's tool belt is a library for an electrician. It also contains related tools like multimeter, cutting plier, wire strippers, etc. Number 4 is Python's huge community. No matter how expert we become in a particular programming language, we run into a few errors in our code here and there, and at times when we can debug them on our own, documentations and tutorials are of no use. At those times, communities can be really helpful, since there is a chance that the same problem that you are facing right now might have been encountered by some other person before, and there might have been a person who knows how to resolve it. Even you can help other Python developers in the community. Platforms like Stack Overflow and Reddit have one of the most popular Python communities. So those were some of the many features of Python that make it stand out. In the next video, we will talk about what can we do after learning Python.